Trump RX, a government-run website where customers can go on, purchase pharmaceuticals directly from the manufacturers. Pfizer announced availability of various prescription drugs on the site for reduced cost. A number of pharma stocks moving higher on the news. Jared Holz, Mizuho Securities USA healthcare sector strategist, joins us now. Jared, help us understand, if Pfizer is going to sell drugs cheaper, why does the stock rally?
Well, I think this whole rally is basically the street looking at the sector and seeing an underperforming group of stocks that potentially will be more removed from the angst associated with this administration from a policy standpoint. I mean, this has been by far the biggest overhang on this group for more than a year. And if Trump and this administration kind of move away from drug pricing as such a predominant topic or theme, then this is a positive.
But isn't this putting in place the most favored nation status, where the drug makers have to give basically prices at the lowest rate that they're giving around the world? Isn't that very bad for profits?
Well, I think it depends on the company. I think when you're looking at Pfizer, some of the multinationals that are very big and diversified, if they're looking at a small group of drugs that are pegged to most favored nation, especially with Medicaid as being the biggest channel, it's probably resolvable. There are ways that you can probably still make earnings, and so the risk factor dissipates a bit. I think investors are looking at this maybe a little bit more negative for companies that are more Medicaid heavy versus a Pfizer versus a Bristol. And obviously the multiples of this group have really never been lower. So I think that's why you're seeing this relief rally.
Dr. Oz was asked how soon you could see prices really get reflected. He said certainly early next year. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think that timing is right. I think we all kind of looked at this as a 2026 event. You also have to tack on the IRA, so drug pricing is coming down for other products. We have the LOEs to worry about, the loss of exclusivity, so the patent issue doesn't dissipate. So to me, this is a near-term trading dynamic. Obviously, it could go on for a little bit longer. You have stocks trading at 6, 7, 8 times earnings, clearly a mile away from where the market is, and the performance has been pretty awful. So I think near-term, this sector trades pretty well, but then we have to go back and look at fundamentally where all these companies stand.
All right, well, we'll keep it quick today. Just good to get your take on all of this. Jared, thank you very much. Good to see you.